What's up, everyone? Joe with ECRM here at our Frozen Session in Chicago, and I am with Jay Patel, who is the founder of Masala Pizza, which is probably my favorite pizza in all of Chicago. And he's showcasing his products to buyers, and we're going to get into a little bit about his company and the products. Now, we actually met at a Startup CPG event earlier this month at the hatchery here in Chicago. So I was with Wayne, our SVP of retail. We met Jay, talked for a little bit, and not long after that, he registered for the session. So we're going to talk about his experience too. So Jay, thanks for joining us, and tell us about your products.
Thanks for the introduction. I appreciate that. Yeah, I would love to talk about it. Masala Pizza, we launched in 2020. A little bit about me and my background. I used to work for McDonald's corporate. Left my job, left corporate, and went to go pursue and make an Indian McDonald's. In 2019, probably the most unlucky year to open a business. Going into 2020, our shop was losing our corporate crowd, and we ended up launching Masala Pizza, which is a virtual brand. How we did it was we really just partnered with other pizzerias and gave them our sauces, our ingredients, and they made our pizzas. We've expanded, to 9 locations with independent pizzerias. 2023, we've realized that the product is a little bit inconsistent. We want to bring a product like this to the market, where it's a ready, consistent made product. We're starting off with 2 types. One is a butter chicken pizza, and then we have our paneer tikka, which is a vegetarian one. Both are, and our goal is to really just bring it into retail outlets.
So now they've been cooking all this up throughout the session and giving out lots of samples. And actually, I love both of them. It's got a really unique flavor. It's got a little kick to it. It's not hot. It's not hot spicy, but it's got that really, really strong flavor. And so now these are the sizes. It's
correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have a 12-inch here that we brought at the show. We are capable. Our manufacturer can make 6-inch, 12-inch, a 2-pack. Anything that people are looking for, we're willing to do.
Okay. And when did you officially launch?
A couple weeks ago, I think we finalized our product. I think literally about a month ago, we finally got a perfect. It's no preservatives, no artificial flavoring. We don't use any food coloring. It's a really clean product. It took us 6 months to get here. But we finally are at a point where we have a product that we can work with.
Awesome. So where are you? Obviously, you just started, so you're not distributed yet. Where are you looking to go? Where do you see the ideal kind of our retail locations?
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, we wanted to, it's really for everybody. I mean, we want to get to all parts of the world, and all parts of the U.S. at least to start with. And we really think that the Indian population is definitely there looking for something like this, but not just Indian. I think pizza's a great entry point to Indian food. We're just putting our flavors on top of a pie. People which are already familiar with it's a more approachable.
Yeah, and that's a trend with younger consumers, especially, is they love adding an ethnic twist to common everyday dishes.
We've seen so many cheese pizzas in the aisle, and we're just getting tired of it. So we're trying to just push that out and bring in a new flavor to the aisle.
Excellent. Now you're already on RangeMe. You're RangeMe Premium. This is your first time doing an ECRM session. What was your experience like?
I loved it, man. We got to connect directly with the buyers. We got to meet with them, talk with everybody. The portal, everything is really friendly. We're able to use that, and I met really great people this trip. First time pitching, but I felt like it was more comfortable at a good setting where you're sitting on the table, not rushed, not loud. In a really good and calm environment. And thought you guys did the whole thing fantastic.
Well, thank you. That's our goal, was to just take everything off your plate so that you can just focus on the meetings themselves. And I noticed you did a lot of networking too. Throughout. We try to make it so that you don't just have the meetings, you have a lot of opportunities to bump into different people during lunch, during breakfast, How did you take advantage of those?
We did. I mean, we were passing on our pizzas. You saw everyone in the back, from the back kitchen all the way to people up front. I mean, we tried getting these pizzas in everybody's mouth, and we got really good feedback. People loved them, and we want to keep pushing this culture.
Yeah, there certainly was a lot of buzz at the show, both from buyers who I know personally that tried the pizza, as well as our team. And yeah, he's right. They kept shoving pizza in all of our mouths. Everybody, I love the fact that you gave samples to the people in the kitchen.
Of course,
because
the people behind the scenes.
Yeah, because when we have our frozen session, we use the freezers that are part of the hotel. So he took care of the staff back there, and yeah, we just went with him to get these pies, and the staff was thanking him, asked him for cards and stuff. So it's great. So now I know that I can get good I'm not a deep dish guy. Most of you have followed me on LinkedIn. No, I'm more of a thin crust guy. So I was really happy when I found this. So how can everybody find you online?
Yeah, so you can go to our website, masala.pizza, and catch us there, or you can contact directly to me. My email is jay@masalapizzacompany.com.
Great, and I know you're going to be very successful with this, so I look forward to seeing you at future sessions and watching you grow. So thanks again.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you guys.
Of course.
Thank you.